very special show.
Why is it a special show today?
Because it's my birthday and this is one of the presents that we're going to be doing.
We're going to make this present. So how old are you today? 4?
5. No, 6.
Yeah, which one is it?
6.
6 today. Okay, cool. So we decided to have a boys' day, haven't we, today?
Yeah.
And we're going to do, we're going to build Jurassic World.
Helicopter.
Blue's helicopter pursuit, which is pretty cool. So what's on there? You can tell them what's on there?
There's a helicopter and even it has 2 eggs, one there, one in the back of the helicopter.
Yeah. And who's this dinosaur?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, cool.
It says Blue down there.
Oh yeah.
And there's Owen.
Owen, yeah. Owen's pretty cool, isn't he?
Yeah.
Cool. So what we do?
He's the star.
He's a star. So what we do is we're going to open this up, and then we'll get building, and we'll talk you through it.
Yeah. Look. This is bag 1, bag 3, and 2 instructions, and here's Blue. And 2. Nothing else in there. Bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, and bag. What's bag 4? What's bag 4? This is my bag 4. Some stickers. That way I held it upside down. 1, 2, 3.
What are they? What are these stickers?
Yep. Stickers
Okay,
to put on the helicopter.
So I think these stickers will go on the helicopter when we're done.
Ready? Should we take them down?
Okay, cool. So what do the instructions say? For the instructions, what do the instructions say?
Bag 1. No, bag 1.
So what does it say? What bag? This bag is this one?
Bag 2.
And bag 3. So that's what we do. We go with bag 2 first, alright?
Okay. Look!
What's that?
That is the screen.
Oh, that's the screen for the helicopter.
Yep, it's really cool looking.
Alright.
What? How did that get stuck in there?
Alright, cool. So let's just let's follow the instructions first.
Put that in.
And then we get it all done. So all the stuff right there.
Daddy, there's more pieces.
Alright, cool. Is that bag 2?
Yeah.
Okay, what we do is,
It's inside bag.
okay, what we do, put that to one side for right now, and we'll just start on the big stuff. Okay, so what's the first bit?
Making this guy.
No, so.
Making that.
Okay, so we grab this bit then?
Yep.
Okay.
I've already put the glass in there.
Alright.
So the glass is all done.
Alright, okay, cool.
Looks pretty cool on the side.
Yeah.
Outside looks pretty cool too.
Alright.
Some of the outside glass.
Alright, so what we need to do then is we need to start with
Yellow chair.
this bit. Okay, so this is what we're going to do next. We need to get to the bottom bit. So we'll just get crashing.
Yep.
Okay, cool. So what we're doing then, we're going to make the base of the helicopter, aren't we?
Yep.
This is the base.
That's all we've done.
That's all we've done so far. That's okay though. So the base, and then what other bit? We need one of these little blue bits.
I put 2 of them.
Okay, and then need this.
Really big grey bits.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
Put the grey bits in. Yeah.
There.
Yeah.
Another one.
so you got starting to build the bottom bit now. Pretty cool. Alright. And then what else? I think we need a big long bit like this. That's it. And that goes up the back. So we started and then we got stuck, didn't we?
Yeah, we realized that we did it wrong.
So we had to take it apart again.
Yep. So that's what we've done.
Didn't read the instructions properly, did we?
No.
No. So we're gonna get back into it. So now it starts to look a little bit better, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's the next bit then?
I think it's to turn the page over.
Right. So there's some blue bits.
Now that's how.
Now we're cooking on gas.
We missed a page.
Oh, stuck together, wasn't it?
Yep.
Yep. Okay, now we need that black bit that goes in the middle. This one?
Yep, I can do that.
Nice. And then this big black bit at the back which we kind of made already. There we go. Now we're cooking on gas. Alright, good stuff.
That looks pretty.
So that is the base of the
Daddy,
helicopter.
can I see the helicopter? Oh.
Yeah, so this is pretty big. You got a little winch thing at the back, if you can see it. But it's actually going to be a really big helicopter, which is pretty cool.
Yep.
Yeah. So I think it's going to be pretty awesome when it's done.
Let's.
So slowly building. We've got the back bit now, kind of getting there, isn't it?
Yep.
Awesome. All right, let's keep going. Oh, this is actually really fiddly, isn't it? There's lots and lots of pieces to it, but as you can see, we're slowly building up the bottom. To have a really big, strong base. So it's already feeling pretty solid right now. So I'm going to carry on building it, making it all, putting it all together.
Yeah, on to page 12.
Yeah, and should we show what we've done so far?
Yeah.
Okay, so it doesn't look like we've done an awful lot, but actually, if you can see it, it's starting to come together pretty nicely right now. Look, I can't wait to see what this is going to look like when it's finished.
I know.
It's so awesome.
Yeah.
And that goes, yeah. Next one. That's the one. And we've got these two, oh, where are they gone? Blue ones. One. Oh, these two do. One. Uh-oh. Where's the other one? Oh, there you go, found it.
This is really starting to come along.
Really starting to come along. Cool.
Feels really Lego-y. This part doesn't feel Lego-ish, except that part up there.
Yeah. So that's not going to go on just yet. So this bit. And we need
Where
to.
does that go?
And those two bits go back.
What? Here's what it looks like.
Sweet as a nut. Alright, next. No, let's just keep moving on, buddy. Keep on page 14 right now. Let's just get cracking. Alright. Starting to come together. Starting to look pretty cool. Alright, what page are you on to now? Page 16.
And 17. Down the seats.
So,
3 seats.
So now what's really cool now is you can start to see what it's looking like. So you've got the lever to fly it, and you've got the speed dials right there. And then this helicopter is going to be massive and actually sits 3 people, which is really, really cool.
Yeah. Daddy, can I show you something?
Yeah.
That guy can sit on that chair or the other chair.
Right, let's see if we can show them. Well, this guy can sit
On that chair or that chair.
Yeah, you can sit on either one, couldn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
We need to put the stickers on.
Alright, so next bit now, as you're going through, we're going to stick on the stickers, which is pretty cool. So, give me that one then. What do the letters say? Can you read these letters, Gethin?
JW16. No, and 15.
Good work. Nice. So these are a little bit fiddly again, aren't they? Which is all good. There you go. Cool. Alright, one sticker's on. And that one. Do that one as well. Really starting to come along now. So, as you can see, that's where the stickers go, on the sides, like that. Which is awesome. We're really starting to cook on gas now, and we're coming along really nicely. So as you can see now, starting to look like a spaceship.
Yeah.
Okay. You can see
looks like a 3-person spaceship.
It does. So that's what our stickers are. We've got these really cool, weirdy looking pieces at the back there, and they're going to build the back of the helicopter. So this is coming along really, really nicely. So the detail on this is absolutely amazing, to be honest with you. So you've got these little window panes, but they actually got little bits of windows to go in them, and it's it's actually really clever. Pop that in there. One.
I've done this side.
You've already done one side, haven't you?
Yep.
Alright, Daddy's a little bit slow.
Yep.
Whatever. There you go. And there he is. So check that one on then.
I know where they go.
Nice. And these 2 little bits, put those on. Square bit. Just make sure they're all pushed down, is it?
Yep.
There you go. Now the windows are starting to come along. Oh, we've been trucking along, haven't we? Look how awesome you've done.
Yeah, I did this by myself.
Yeah, you did. It's pretty awesome. So look.
Yeah, he was on the phone.
I was deleting some videos. Alright, so there we go. This is looking pretty cool right now. Look at that. Look at the detail of that. And the stickers. And this is pretty awesome. This is where we're going to attach the rotors to make it turn. And it actually goes all the way through, if you can see, the whole helicopter. It's pretty amazing. So there we go. What's next?
Putting these grey...
So what are we doing next?
We are looking at the instructions, I don't know.
Okay.
Up there.
We need some blanks. So these little blanks to go on top. There we go. I need to do these ones first, alright?
Actually, I'm putting these in.
Okay.
Supposed to get 4 of these.
One. Here you go. 2, 3. Sweet.
Yep.
That is pretty awesome right now.
That's what it looks up close. Looks like up close, I mean.
Look at that. Coming along. Guys, you just built the man.
Yep.
It's pretty good. What's his name? That's him right there. Look at how cool this is.
Pilot.
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 And you got some really cool glasses. Look at that. Awesome. These Lego characters are actually really good. Alright, so he's going to be our pilot, is he?
Yep.
Sweet. Alright, so now we're on to bag number 3, aren't we? Alright?
Yeah.
So, look at that. Alright. Tons more pieces in there. Tons more pieces. Alright, so what are we making next? So I think we're going to be on to the rotor blades now. Yeah?
Yep.
Okay. Nice. So we're using quite a big scissors. Okay, but if you're not very good with scissors, make sure you got an adult present. Cut the scissors. Yeah.
This gets harder and harder.
Why?
Because we need to do this and it's really hard.
Yeah. Some really big. So you can see how big these rotor blades are. They're going to be pretty massive. So this is going to be a really big helicopter, I think.
Yeah, this hook wasn't in bag 2 and I thought it was supposed to.
Yeah.
That's a bit weird.
Yeah. So that's like a bit of a ball and socket back here.
Yeah.
Move this up and down. And
It even comes with 2 eggs like this.
Whoa, dinosaur eggs.
Yep. Blue's eggs, I think.
So we've been building the tail, which is coming along really nicely now. So as you can see, it's actually quite big, and there's lots of moving parts. There's the rotors. It's actually looking pretty good now. So we're nearly there, I think. Aren't we, buddy? What do you reckon? What are you making? You're dropping stuff on the floor. That's what you're doing.
This is too fiddly.
Too fiddly.
Uh-huh.
Alright.
I'm behind the camera.
Behind the camera.
When I was standing behind the camera, I made this. I was struggling. The egg fell there, so I just went behind the camera to do it.
Okay, so now we've got the main body, and now we've got the tail. I'm going to mash them together.
Yeah.
Is it going to work?
Yep, I hope so.
Boom! Look at that. How cool is that?
That is
See,
cool.
it's so big, doesn't even fit in the screen. So this is a really cool helicopter, actually. I think it's the best helicopter you've got, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, by far. Massive.
Can I show you the other one I've got?
Should we do it at the end? Show them at the end, and we can compare them side by side?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
That one is pretty much about this big.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Alright.
All about this big.
So the next bit we need now, so we need to put that on and secure the tail at the back. So we've got this bit here. We're gonna put on all the way over the top.
Yep.
And that should keep everything nice and steady. So the
Daddy,
tail isn't gonna
can I
wobble off.
show you the most difficult thing about this?
Go on.
Look at that, the top of
The rotors.
helicopter.
The rotors. Yeah, that's gonna be the big thing. So now what we're gonna do now is the rotor blades, isn't it?
Yeah, that's actually the hardest part. Underneath it's really hard.
Why is it hard?
Cause, look,
Just
look
because.
at it.
I know, I can see. Anyway, back to it.
Yep.
So, we're having a few problems with the birthday boy not paying attention. Are you? Trying to jump ahead, aren't you?
Yep.
And then we're missing stuff. So what you need to do, switch on.
Daddy,
Switch on.
it's actually supposed to...
So what we didn't know is that when we turned it over, there's actually going to be wheels on this helicopter.
I knew that because you can
Oh.
see it on the box.
Well, I didn't realise that. You didn't tell me that, did you?
Keeping it as a secret.
Keeping it a secret and Gethins hiding stuff as well.
Yep.
And then not giving it to me the last minute. Monster. Right, what's next? So we got one more of these to do.
Yeah,
As you can see, it's looking good. So Look at that. It's looking pretty cool now. And can you see it?
That's Chewie barking.
Yeah, she wants to come in. She's been outside. Now she wants to come back in. Is that in?
There's Chewie.
There she is. There's Chewie. Oh, getting birthday kisses. Look at that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yucky.
I think she wants to help us, but if we let her help, she'll probably eat all the bits, and that's not a good thing, is it?
No.
So the wheels are now on. As you can see the bottom, look pretty cool. And this is a swivel wheel at the front, pretty tidy. And at the back, then we've added another piece onto this little ball and socket thing as a winch. It's pretty awesome, isn't it?
Yeah.
Pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's next?
The sky holder.
What's gonna be next?
Sticking that on there. I have no idea how.
Okay, so I'm not quite sure what this actually is. This is going to be where the, I think it's going to be the gun sits. So we're going to build this next.
It looks really hard.
So we actually worked out what that little, what this is. It's where we keep the little dinosaur egg.
Yep.
Okay.
That's
And then
better.
this fits right in the back of the helicopter, right in there. And this little winch comes up and keeps it in place,
I have no idea.
which is
how to-
pretty awesome. We're getting there.
Yep.
So you've got the big lights on the sides, all made. And what else we got now? We got, what's that little bit thing you made?
This thing, I don't know what.
And we don't know what that is yet, but we're
Well,
going to do it now.
it does attach to that thingy.
Yeah, I think it's a big massive gun. So what the next thing we're going to make now is going to be
The rotors.
the rotors. And then this, to get this birdie to fly. What do you reckon?
It's not a birdie, it's a helicopter.
Here's a birdie.
Look. We finally got it done.
We finally got it done, so let's look at that. So this is a pretty big helicopter. It was pretty heavy, isn't it, as well? And at the bottom, you've got something that you can twist and turn.
Yeah, that makes the
Makes the
propellers.
propeller turn, so you can do that. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Look at that. Well, I think we're nearly done now. We've got a few bits and bobs to do.
No, look. That,
Yeah.
this.
Yeah, a few bits and bobs to do. So we've got to build the gun for the helicopter now. Finish the gun off,
Daddy, can I do this?
and then we're all done.
Daddy, can I?
All right.
That's where it goes. It goes.
So we've completely built the helicopter now, and this gun is super awesome. It's really sensitive, isn't it?
Yeah, it actually is really sensitive. If you turn the back, it actually just shoots.
Shoot. So what we do after we've made everything else, we show you how this works, because that's pretty cool, isn't it?
Daddy, should I get my other one to see
Yeah.
how small it is?
Yeah, you can get the other one and we'll show you.
Yeah, it's gonna be so small. Big this one is.
So, as you can see, the both of them, you got one massive one, like there,
That's how small this one is.
and this is his little baby brother.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's if you saw my second one, we did this one.
Yeah, second video we did this, it was pretty cool. So as you can see, it's a pretty tiny helicopter compared to this monster. Look
Yep.
at this one.
In this one, you didn't have to build the base like that.
Yeah, this one had to build the whole base from the bottom up, didn't we?
Yep.
Cool.
Look at the back. It actually comes with this web. Leave a comment down below if you have this or this one, because we would like to know.
Yeah, we would like to know because it's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That one's
Alright.
actually more darker blue. See? I just realized that.
Let's have a look. Where? Oh yeah, different colours, aren't they?
Different blues.
Alright, so we're going to build next.
Blue.
Blue going to show up on there, look. So blue's
He
coming
is
all...
she is in pieces.
Yeah, we're going to build that away.
Every dinosaur is a go in Jurassic World.
How do you know that?
'Cause
Alright. So, I reckon we do it this way.
no! No!
Why?
Guess it's the
Alright, so what if I do it that way? And then do it
No!
that way?
No! I can do that. I can do the body.
You doing it wrong?
No!
I do it wrong.
Yep. Dude, why are you so wrong at this?
Dude. Okay, I'll do Blue's jaw then. Okay.
That's how. That's how.
Now, excuse me.
Where's the leg?
So what dinosaur is blue?
A raptor.
It's cool, isn't it?
I thought she was an Indoraptor, but she isn't.
She's got a bit of a snap. What do you watch now?
Oh.
Ready? Oh!
Ooh.
Right, put your head on.
You actually need a black piece.
Yeah, you do, don't you? Actually, where's the black piece gone?
I have no idea.
Alright,
Blacky.
so we need a little bit to connect the head. Oh, I think this one. This one there, I think.
Yeah.
Tidy. Pretty cool. So we've finally made blue.
Yep.
Alright, blue is pretty awesome.
Yep.
Now look, let's show the camera. We got that.
She's one of my best dinosaurs in the world.
She is pretty amazing. Look, and the head spins up. Pretty scary. Alright, what's next?
Getting bag 1 open.
Alright, so this is a big video, this one. So we're going to put those helicopters out of the way just now. And then
And
we're going
can I
to...
tell you something?
Yeah.
Please?
Yeah.
It actually comes with 2 instructions.
Oh, it does.
Daddy, can I tell you something?
Yeah.
Look. Look. Have you seen Jurassic World 2? Comment down below if you have.
Yeah. We saw it in the cinema, didn't we?
Yeah.
Was it pretty scary? Or was it not scary?
It freaked me out.
It freaked you out? What was the scariest bit?
When the Indoraptor could smell Owen and his friends.
Was that pretty scary, was it? Alright, so this is going to open up bag number 1. This is a bit weird, isn't it? Because they didn't say do bag 1 first, did they? They said bag 2 and 3 first.
Yeah.
It's a bit weird. Why do you think they did that?
Because they maybe wanted us to do the hardest one first.
Possibly. Alright, so what is bag number 1 going to be in then?
Owen, I can see.
Owen, and to be a trucking trailer, isn't it? Oh man, he's like going to rip her open like a dinosaur.
I like dinosaurs. Hey, get out, get out.
Alright, so we get the instructions and we crack on.
Yep. Now look what we've made.
Yeah, we were pretty busy making a trailer and truck, weren't we?
Yeah, so we turned you off.
We turned you off because you don't want to sit there watching us do every single little piece. So we
Yeah,
decided to
because
do
that's a little boring.
it. It is a little boring. So the next thing, what's next?
I don't know.
This one.
Okay,
And this is going to be the cage for the dinosaur.
blue.
Blue. Yeah, and we just realised that that helicopter was book number 2,
Yep,
not book number 1. We did it all back to front, didn't we?
yep.
Oh well.
That was a bit silly of us. We didn't look at the corner.
No, never mind. Onwards and upwards. So you're going to make the cage, are we?
Yep,
See you in a bit.
bye. Look what we have just made.
So, what have we done? We've made everything, haven't we?
Yep.
So, what did we start off with?
The helicopter. I
Helicopter.
realized it was book number 2.
Right, so we take this off for a second.
Yep.
So we'll show you what we made. We made the cage for Blue, which is pretty awesome, I might say. And you got Blue in there. Alright, look at that. Pretty awesome. It's like a trap for Blue. And then we made the truck and trailer for Owen. Yeah? And he's got a pretty cool gun as well. And these guns actually fire, which is awesome.
I can't even try and make it fire.
Yeah. And then we got the big helicopter. what this thing at the back does. Clips on the back. And it flies when you twist that at the same time.
He's like, what's going on? I can't do this.
What's going on? Pretty awesome, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Daddy,
Yes.
on our next video, should we play with this
Okay.
and do the crystals?
Yeah, okay. So what are we going to do in our next video? Crystals.
Yeah.
So for your birthday present, we got some crystals to grow, didn't we? We might do that next time as a bit of a science experiment. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. What we thought we'd do, we'd come into the little Lego bedroom and show you this little shooter. So if you can see that. Ready, so I can shoot this screen, ready? Hey! That's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome actually. And it fires really easy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Cool.
Got all the shooters.
All the shooters. And then we've got Owen's gun. I'm not sure if we can, how we do that.
I don't know either.
Yeah, maybe it doesn't shoot.
It does. I saw it on another video.
Oh, I know what we need to do.
What?
We need to put something in there to make it shoot.
Okay, I can do that.
Yeah, I think we need something different. We can try this. This will do it. This will do it. We'll try that there. And maybe it will shoot that way. Yay! Pretty good.
I did not see where that was.
Right there. So all you need to do, you need to get something sharp. I think there's a bit for it. Push it down there and then go plop, plop. Oh man, it's pretty awesome. Anyway, I think we're pretty much done right now because we had a lot of fun with that, haven't we? It's taken us a little while. Yeah?
Yep.
Okay, so what was the best bit about making this?
Building Blue and the helicopter. Well, all of this, doing all of this.
Yeah, it's been a pretty good birthday, isn't it? So far. And then in the next video we'll make some crystals for the other birthday present.
Yep.
There we go, you show.
Crystal growing.
So that's is what we're going to do next. So keep an eye out, and we'll grow some cool, and we'll do some different colours, different colour crystals, alright? So I say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
What else are we going to do?
Subscribe. Hit that bell.
Alright, I'm going to see you guys soon.
Smash the like button.
Okay, bye.